Yep, good afternoon. All the parts are in for the project. How do I switch this? Hmm. Okay. As I was saying, all the parts are in for this project. But I got it apart that far over here. I was putting this thing on. And of course you can, see funny wear or whatever. But over here, check this out. I don't know if you can see it. But this is cracked all the way through here. Then if I flip it, let's see, what's the best shot? Then you can see it's cracked all the way down to here. It's kind of a micro. Where's my finger? There it is. Oh, wrong angle, shade. Oh, yeah. There we go. Now we can see. So I'm thinking eventually this is going to break off. Even with all the new bearings that we got. So this is like the last thing. Nothing else to buy, nothing else to fix. Straighten this out a little bit. Weld it, paint it up. I wonder if JP could weld this for me. He's like the best welder I know. Or I will attempt myself. No!
Yes! Welcome to the channel! Future Dad!